Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm great, Alex. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm excited because today we're going to practice some very simple but important grammar.
Yes, today our topic is simple grammar practice. Is, am, and are.
These three little words are very common in English. We use them every day.
That's right. So let's learn how to use them in fun, easy sentences.
Let's start with the basics. Is, am, and are all come from the verb to be.
We use am with I.
We use is with he, she, it, and one person.
And we use are with you, we, they, and many people.
Exactly. Let's say some examples together.
Okay, repeat after us, everyone.
Okay, repeat after us, everyone.
I am happy.
He is tired.
She is a teacher.
It is a beautiful day.
You are my friend.
We are students.
They are at home.
Now, let's make it more natural, like real conversation.
Great idea. Let's talk about our day using is, am, and are.
Okay, I'll start. I am at the studio now.
Nice. I am happy to record this podcast today.
The weather is sunny and warm.
Oh, that's nice. It is raining here in my city.
Oh, really? That's interesting. You are in a different place, right?
Yes, I am in another city today.
That's cool. We are talking from different places, but we are still together online.
Exactly. Technology is amazing.
Yes, it is.
Now let's describe people using is, am, and are.
Okay, let's describe our friends.
Sure. My best friend is kind and funny.
Nice. My friend is tall and strong.
How about your parents, Alex?
My mom is a teacher and my dad is a doctor.
Wow, that's great. My parents are farmers. They work very hard.
That's wonderful. They are amazing people.
Thank you. What about your family? How many people are there?
There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me.
Oh, that's nice. There are 4 people in my family.
Families are very special, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Okay, Emily, let's look around and describe what's near us.
Good idea. I'll start. My phone is on the table.
My laptop is on the desk.
The microphone is black.
My chair is comfortable.
My cup is full of coffee.
Mine is empty. I need more coffee.
You are a coffee lover.
Yes, I am.
Okay, listeners, now you try. Look around your room and say, my book is on the table. My bag is on the floor. My phone is in my hand.
That's right. Practice with your own things.
Let's talk about where people are.
Yes. Example. I am at home.
He is at work.
She is at school.
We are at the park.
They are in the restaurant.
You are at the library.
Perfect. These are very common sentences you can use every day.
Now let's talk about some common mistakes learners make with is, am, and are.
Yes. For example, some people say, he am my friend. That's not correct.
Right. It should be, he is my friend.
Another one. Some people say, they is students.
Oh yes, that's wrong too. It should be, they are students.
Exactly. Remember, I am, he, she, it, is, we, you, they, are.
That's the rule. Very simple.
Let's play a quick grammar game.
Yes, I'll say a subject and you say the correct form. Is, am, or are.
Sounds fun. Okay, let's go.
Emily, I.
Am.
Good. He.
is,
they,
are,
you,
are,
we,
are,
it.
is.
Perfect.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Repeat after us and test yourself.
Let's have a mini conversation using is, am, or are.
Okay.
Where is your bag, Alex?
It is on the chair.
And where is your phone?
It is on the table.
Are you ready for the podcast?
Yes, I am ready. Are you ready too?
Yes, I am too.
Great. Let's start recording.
We already are.
Both.
Let's review what we learned today.
Sure. Is, am, and are all forms of the verb to be.
We use am with I, is with he, she, it, and are with you, we, they.
That's right. And we practiced how to use them in sentences about people, places, and things.
Yes, and remember, practice every day.
The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
Exactly.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Podcast English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Emily. You look happy today.
Yes, I am. I'm happy because today we're continuing our grammar practice about is, am, and are.
That's right. Last time we learned how to make simple sentences. Today, we're going to learn how to make negative sentences and questions.
Exactly. These are very useful in real life when you talk to people, ask questions, or describe something.
Let's start with negative forms. How to say something is not.
Yes. For example, I am happy, then I am not happy.
Good. He is a student. He is not a student. Or you can say, he isn't a student.
She is tired. She isn't tired.
They are busy. They aren't busy.
Perfect. Let's practice with some examples together. I am not late.
He isn't sick.
We aren't hungry.
You aren't wrong.
It isn't cold today.
That's great.
Let's make it sound more natural, like real life.
Sure, I'll start. I am not tired. I slept well last night.
That's good. I am not hungry, but I am thirsty.
It's funny. I'm the opposite. I am hungry, but I'm not thirsty.
That happens a lot. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It isn't too hot and it isn't too cold.
Exactly. It's just perfect.
Now, let's learn how to ask questions.
Yes. For example, you say, she is a teacher. To make a question, move is to the front. Is she a teacher?
Perfect. Let's try more examples.
He is tired. Is he tired?
They are students. Are they students?
You are ready. Are you ready? I am late.
Am I late?
That sounds natural.
Let's do a short question game. I'll say a sentence, you turn it into a question. Ready?
Ready.
She is happy.
Is she happy?
Nice. They are from Japan.
Are they from Japan?
Perfect. I am your friend.
Am I your friend?
Of course you are.
Thank you. My turn. He is a doctor.
Is he a doctor?
Good. We are late.
Are we late?
Perfect.
That was fun.
Let's make small dialogues using is, am, and are.
Hi, Alex. Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am. Is the teacher here?
No, she isn't. She is a little late today.
Oh, okay. Are the other students here?
Yes, they are. Everyone is waiting.
Hi, Emily. Is this your coffee?
No, it isn't. Mine is the one with milk.
Ah, okay. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. The cake looks delicious.
It is delicious. You should try it.
How is your family, Alex?
They are good. My mom is fine and my dad is busy at work.
Are your sisters still studying?
Yes, they are. One is in college and the other is in high school.
That's great.
Let's practice describing objects again, but with questions and negatives.
Okay, example. This is my bag.
Then, is this your bag?
No, it isn't. It's my friend's bag.
Good. Let's try more.
Emily, this is my phone.
Is it new?
Yes, it is. It's a gift from my brother.
Nice. These are my keys.
Are they on the table?
No, they aren't. They are in my bag.
Very good.
Let's talk about mistakes people often make when asking questions.
Yes, some people say, is your teacher? That's not correct.
Right. The correct way is she your teacher?
And sometimes learners forget to move is, am, or are to the front of the question.
Yes, that's very important. Example, you are ready. Then, you are ready? Not correct. Are you ready? Correct.
Perfect. Small changes make a big difference. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. We'll say a sentence and you repeat after us.
Ready? Let's go.
I am happy.
You are smart.
He is a student.
She is beautiful.
It is sunny.
We are friends.
They are from Thailand.
Now let's make them negative.
I am not sad.
He isn't busy.
They aren't late.
She isn't tired.
Good job.
Let's challenge our listeners with a short story using is, am, and are.
Good idea. Here's a story. My name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I am a student. My school is big. My teachers are kind. My friends are funny. We are in the same class. It is a sunny day and we are happy.
That's a great story. Now, listeners, can you make your own story using is, am, and are?
Yes, talk about yourself, your family, or your school. It's a great way to practice.
Well, that's the end of today's grammar practice. We learned how to make negative sentences and questions with is, am, and are.
Yes, we also practiced real-life conversations and corrected common mistakes.
Yes, remember, practice every day. Grammar becomes easy when you use it often.
That's right.
Thank you for joining us today on Podcast English Channel.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite English grammar topic? And tell us your own sentences using is, am, and are.
We'd love to read them.
And tell us your own sentences using is, am, and are.
We'd love to read them.
See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.